Bururi wa Kenya ni ukoretwo ukigunika kuhitukira kigiina kiria kiheanagwo ni mabururi matiganite itanya-ini ni ari kuhurana na gutherema kwa mirimu ya Malaria, TB, oro undu umwe na murimu wa mukingo. Kuuma mwaka wa 2002 nginyagia riu andu mirioni 48 nimahonokitio kuumana na moruru ma mirimu ino itatu iria ikoragwo ikigumira mabururi maingi, undu uria ucoketie thi ikuũ iria ciumanaga na mirimu ino. Amwe aria manahutio ni mirimu ino makiuga ni magunikite kuona urigiti wao ni uhuthite kugerera kigiina giki.
State imekuwa immune bado naweza ipata, so like I'm a champion survivor but still nizarudi back, but siwezi penda mtu yote asafe the disease. Okay, as in hakuna ugonjwa mzuri.
5 children are infected with HIV, but now like in my area we are having 0 in a year or 1 baby infected.
Because of this grant, I'm on care and treatment. I'm adhering to my treatment and I've become a champion to my community.
Mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri Susan Mochache augite bururi wa Kenya ni utashukitie makinya hari kuhurana na murimu wa Malaria na TB, no akauga murimu wa mukingo ni ukoretwo ugitherema na gikiro kinene na muno makiria gatagati-ini ka mbeu njithi.
The Global Fund has supported the government in the procurement and distribution of the 8.5 million doses of first-line anti-malaria drugs. Much needs to be done. As we celebrate, let us not forget. And again, it really touches on the youth.
Bururi wa Amerika ni umwe wa mabururi maria maneanaga uteithio munene hari kuhurana na mirimu ino, kuona na hindi ya king'uki gia COVID-19 Kenya ni ongereirwo kigiina makiria kuona andu aria mari na mirimu ino itatu mari ugwati-ini makiria.
The US government is a founding member and the largest single donor to the Global Fund, and having contributed nearly $20 billion since 2002, which comprises nearly 1/3 of all donor contributions.
Global Fund and other major investments in health will not be able to fund sustainable projects. Thus, we need an even stronger national counterpart to ensure the emergence of a durable, efficient, and accessible health system.
Kwa ihinda riri mbeca iria irongoreirie kurogotwo ni birioni $18 iria igakorwo ikihuthika nginya mwaka wa 2026, bururi wa Kenya ugitanywo kwanirira na kwihotha na kigiina makiria.
To ensure that we sustain the gains that we have made in the health sector, we will continue to allocate additional resources to the sector and developing solutions to our needs.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ikiranira gwikirira makiria kuhurana na mirimu ino itatu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.